Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a little skirt for 12 to 18 months. Size 4 crochet hook for the ribbing with size 3 or 4 yarn, and a size 5 crochet hook for the fancy stitch. So we are going to start by chaining 64 stitches with the size 4 hook. There, the 64 stitches are done. Now we are going to close the circle with a slip stitch, but we must be very careful that the stitches don't get twisted. There, into the stitch we made. We make a slip stitch like this. Now we are going to make 2 chains stitches, and in each stitch we are going to make a simple double crochet. So I'm going to show you again. All the way around for 2 rounds.
1.
We insert. We yarn over. We insert into the next stitch. We pull up a loop. We yarn over. We pull through 2. We yarn over. We pull through the last 2 in each stitch. You're going to make a double crochet. Simple, and we'll see each other after. There, the round is finished, but you must be careful that it is nice and straight, nice and round, because sometimes you can do like this. So you have to be careful from the beginning. And now we are going to insert into the first stitch from the beginning, the first double crochet, the 3 chain stitches we made. We are going to make a chain stitch. A second chain stitch. Next, we are now going to move on to the ribbing stitch. That counts as 1 double crochet. For the ribbing stitch, you are going to yarn over. For the next double crochet, you are going to do a front post stitch, but instead of inserting into the stitch, you go under the double crochet. You pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. That's the front post stitch. We are going to do 1 back post stitch, yarn over. Here we are going to take the hook and go behind the double crochet. We are going to pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So front, back, now hop. We are going to do front, back, yarn over. We pass the hook under the double crochet. We pull up a loop. Actually, it's a double crochet. Yarn over. We pull through 2. Yarn over. We pull through 2. So it makes a front. We can see that. The stitches stand out. The back ones are more pulled in. So front, back. Now it's front. You are going to do that all the way around. And we'll meet at the end of the round. There. At the end, we insert, we check that it's nice and straight. We insert the hook in the first stitch at the start, make a slip stitch. So that makes a row of elastic stitches. 1, 2, 2 chain stitches.
And we will repeat 2 rounds like this all the way around.
We can see this is the front.
You make another front post double crochet.
But what we fear most of all.
And to reinforce, pass the hook behind from the back. And there you go, continue to the end. Do another round. We need 3 rows of double crochets and we'll see each other after. Once the 3 rows of elastic double crochet are finished, we will work in single crochet. We will make a chain stitch. We will make a single crochet, 2 single crochets,
3 single crochets.
and the 5th, we will make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. 1.
Is it F2?
Don't take.
Cool. 1 single crochet. Stitch in. Here is the 5th. We make 2 stitches in the same stitch. These are the increases, so it becomes a bit flared. So you'll make 5 single crochets, and in the 5th you make 2, and we will see each other for the fancy stitch. We are arriving at the end of the row of single crochets. We are going to close, make a slip stitch, and here we will make 3 chain stitches, and we will start with hook 5. We will start by making 3 chain stitches. In the same stitch, make a double crochet. That makes 2 double crochets. A chain stitch. Make 2 more double crochets in the same hole. You will skip 1, 2, 3 stitches. 1, 2. In the 3rd, you will redo a double crochet, 2 double crochet,
A chain stitch.
and in the same hole, a double crochet. You should never miss an opportunity to treat yourself 2 double crochets. We will count 1, 2, and in the 3rd we make a double crochet. 1, 2, a chain stitch, and 2 others in the same hole. Aggressive perfume, lots of ingredients.
1, 2 in the 3rd, a double crochet, 2 double crochets,
A chain stitch, and 2 double crochets again in the same hole. I am going to show you that. There is the fancy stitch, and it will ripple a little. It's so that the little skirt is flared. So you make the stitch all the way long. Now there are no more increases or anything at all. You will only do this. 1, 2, 3rd. You will always make 2 chain stitches, 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and 2 double crochets, always in the same hole. That makes 2 double crochets, 1 chain stitch, and 2 double crochets, all in the same hole. And you will continue all the way along, closing with a single crochet. And I'll tell you how many rows, it will always be the same. Anyway, so I'll tell you how many rows you'll need. Unless you find it's too long, then you do 14 or 13. And we'll meet back up. I'm going to do 15 rows. We'll meet back up after the 15 rows for the finishing. My 15 rows are finished. See, it's a bit flared. So now I'm going to do the finishing. We're going to put the hook into a stitch at the very bottom. We're going to take some white velvet yarn. We'll make a little knot. And
We'll start the peacock, not just that.
So you are going to make
1 chain stitch, 2 chain stitches. So you will insert your hook. You'll make a slip stitch in the first one I made of the 2 chain stitches. So you will insert your hook, bring back the loop, and pull it through the first one. And you will count to the 3rd stitch, insert, and do a slip stitch.
I'll start again. 1,
insert in the first.
Chain stitch. We do a slip stitch. We count 1, 2, and do a slip stitch. Now, if you want a bigger peacock, you make 1, 2, 3 chain stitches. And you insert your hook. You make a slip stitch in the first one, which gives us, and you always insert in the second one. That makes a bigger peacock. We will continue all the way along to protect.
Because we can.
And if someone is based, too.
That's why you didn't talk about the stitch you can make.
Because it's a.
Some days it's not easy knitting.
Therefore,
Of chain stitches very well to fiddle. We do a slip stitch in the last stitch. We pull the loop, we pull that into this one, and we'll insert into the second, and that all the way along. There we go. The little peacoat is finished, the finishing. Now, you need to make a chain of 100 stitches in velvet that we will put at the waist in the middle. I'm going to make a marker here. You will take 2 stitches of the elastic stitch. There. We come into the middle of the stitch like this. Go all the way around like this. And I'll show you at the end what it looks like. The little cord is placed all the way around. Now, depending on the size, we tighten. So it's a little skirt that you can wear for quite a while. You tighten it, you loosen it. And you can also tie a little knot. Like this. Like there. There. Well centered. Here I am all finished. This video is now finished. Don't hesitate to leave me a little comment. If you have questions or a little like, it's always appreciated. Thank you and see you soon.